Does your company aim to invest in artificial intelligence solutions? In today's market, most companies do. But the key question is your organization ready to implement AI? According to a recent report from Cisco, only 14% of organizations worldwide are ready to implement and utilize AI technologies. If your organization falls into the other 86%, don't worry, this video is for you. Today, we will cover the AI readiness audit concept, how to go about it, and explore the challenges organizations face while integrating AI. So, what is AI readiness audit? As the name suggests, it is an audit or an assessment that helps companies determine the readiness of their organization to adopt AI technologies. How do you go about an AI readiness audit? At Maruti Tech Labs, we follow this step-by-step approach to ensure that you start your AI journey with a clear understanding of its potential. Phase 1. Discovery and planning. During this phase, the focus is on understanding your company's current state and identifying potential areas where AI can bring value. Key activities include kick-off meetings to understand your business goals, challenges, and data landscape. Data assessment to evaluate data quality and availability. AI opportunity brainstorming to identify promising AI applications based on your business use case. Phase 2. In-depth analysis. Here, we thoroughly explore the identified AI opportunities. Key activities in this phase include interactive workshop to assess technical feasibility, validate product concepts through prototyping, and present those to the stakeholders. Quantified business impact to analyze each use case's potential ROI, cost savings, and other benefits. Project scope and roadmap to define the most viable use case, outlining project scope, goals, timeline, and potential challenges. Phase 3. Go or no-go decision. In this phase, we evaluate the findings from the previous phases and make an informed decision on whether to proceed with AI development. Key activities in this phase include feasibility report to summarize findings, recommend the most impactful use case, and outline potential risks and mitigation strategies. Informed decision to make a data-driven decision on proceeding with AI development based on the report. Clear path forward to establish a well-defined project roadmap with deliverables and address challenges ready for development. Here are some of the challenges companies uncover with the help of an AI readiness audit. Data scarcity or poor quality poses a hurdle as AI systems rely heavily on quality information. Solutions involve prioritizing representative and high-quality data and commencing the AI journey with simple algorithms to mitigate bias. Outdated infrastructure stands as another challenge, hindering AI's processing capabilities. To address this, businesses must invest in advanced infrastructures, tools, and applications. Integrating AI into existing systems is more than a simple plugin, requiring consideration of storage, processors, and employee training. Collaborating with experienced AI providers facilitates a smooth transition. The scarcity of AI talent emerges as a significant challenge due to the newness of AI in learning and education. Organizations can overcome this by partnering with experienced teams like ours at Maruti Tech Labs, investing in internal knowledge, or training employees. Overestimating AI capabilities is another common pitfall, emphasizing the importance of correct data and AI explainability to ensure transparent and effective operations. Now, moving on to the most important part, what exactly can your company expect as the output of the AI readiness audit by Maruti Tech Labs? For any AI project, before diving into development, we take a distinctive top-down approach with an AI readiness audit or the workshop. This involves validating ideas through qualitative and quantitative analysis, identifying optimal model development approaches, and constructing a comprehensive implementation roadmap. The output of the AI readiness audit consists of the following: a high-level overview of the audit findings, along with key recommendations and next steps. Assessment details, which includes available data, its quality, current infrastructure, and identifying required changes for AI implementation. Potential risk assessment, identification and recommendation for pilot project. KPIs to measure the success of AI implementation. While the concept of using AI to solve business problems isn't new, it's crucial to recognize that achieving AI success goes beyond technology alone. It's about people, strategy, responsibility, and agility. Maruti Tech Labs understands this comprehensive approach and stands as your strategic partner in this transformative journey. Leveraging the insights from our AI readiness audit, your organization can enhance your AI maturity and unlock unprecedented opportunities for growth and efficiency. That's it for today. Stay tuned for our next video for more insights and tips.